I am very pleased to introduce to you a brand new Packout system starter, the Packout Rolling Chest. The most immediately obvious thing you'll notice about this product is its sheer size. It is by far the largest Packout item that we have ever introduced. In fact, it features a double Packout footprint in the lid, allowing our users to build two independent Packout stacks onto the chest. The rolling tool chest has been equipped with an immensely durable industrial-grade handle that can support up to 113 kilograms. This allows our users to safely transport and store even the bulkiest tools, such as demolition hammers, large angle grinders, or bandsaws. The oversized 23cm wheels allow it to be moved easily over rough, uneven job site terrain, as well as up and down the stairs. Take a look inside of the rolling tool chest. You will see that it features a locking lid support. This will keep the top securely open and prevent sudden, unwanted lid closure. Incorporated into the design is an additional storage tray, ideal for organizing and safely storing batteries, hand tools, or any other smaller accessories. As is always the case with Packout products, the new rolling tool chest is constructed with impact-resistant polymers that ensure the best possible durability in the demanding job site environment. Same goes for the latches and locking points, which have been metal reinforced. This enhances their lifetime and ensures that the rolling tool chest stays firmly shut, keeping your valuable tools safe at all times. As you can see, the new rolling tool chest is a unique and exciting addition to the range. It gives our users a whole new way to start their Packout inventory and provide them with the ability to transport not one, but two Packout stacks onto the site.